think. Attaboy. And you got your footage going too. Awesome. Oh, he's a nice one, Frank. Nice spear, brother.
Look at that, baby.
That's a good one, dude.
Woo, buddy.
That's what we've been waiting for. He might
get your phone on for a minute.
He might be the biggest one all year.
Hell yeah.
Yep, finally got one today, boys.
I just called it. 15 more minutes and we were about to take off and he came floating in.
Yep. Hit it hard. It's a big fish, bro. It's a male for sure.
Yeah, baby. I'll go ahead and pull that out of there for a second.
Well, I guess the fishing trip's over now.
I still gotta smoke a cigarette, Donnie.
Got 3 of them now, man.